Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s, and let me share with you how to manage charging sound on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down a little and tap on system sound and vibration control, and as you can see in this panel right in the middle we've got the charging option. So right now it is turned on, which means that after plugging in the cable you will hear the sound feedback, the phone feedback. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher right here, and since it is inactive, even after plugging the cable, you won't hear anything from your device. Obviously, you can turn it on the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to manage charging sound in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.